Atlantic, we have now a new possibility of Venezuela officers, but please think, dear ship owner, about the flags. Some flags are very friendly for Venezuela and Panama officers. Some flags didn't know what they took about when they have these double tax treaties, or they don't Cyprus, Malta and Madeira accept Panama and Venezuela. You see what's going on. But others really don't know. There is 2,500 Cuba officers, and they have really a hard time now. Why not? Shipping always has been helping developed countries, and then have doctors, but Cuba already has doctors. Then why don't we develop the country by sending US dollars? And this is a huge opportunity. Also the same for Venezuela. We have this Bolivar at 64 last year, 11th of March, 25 now. It is 11th of March, 26, 420 something. It's 8 times the Bolivar to the dollar. So are we helping the economy and the society and the human future long-term of Venezuela? Of course we are. Are we also helping the maritime school to multiply times 1,000? Venezuela is a very strategic country, very close to Panama. Panama also has the same competitive advantage in Colombia and Ecuador. Why not be a container ship owner? If you're a private company and you don't have public interest, then you're looking after the own private decisions, and you can make a fast decision today. If no one is really searching these 2,500 Cuban officers, out of which there is about 1,000 employed officers and ratings, there's 500 officers, so why don't we train them in English? And then same thing we do in Venezuela, and have really a pool of about 1,000 officers, mixed another 1,000 Panama, then 200 Peruvians, then we can have 200 Ecuador and Colombians. Now then also let's open these flags to Honduras and also many other countries, Guatemala, El Salvador. Even Mexico, why not? Because they have very good English, and then we have really a possibility of employing, let's say, 200 container ships in the Atlantic. Yes, mix some Europeans that don't want to go now to Asia, the ship owner. Let's do it now today. Why? Because others will put as a public interest first, and will put also as a ship manager's interest first. No. Candina puts first the ship owner interest, because we're a private company having 2 seasons, and first is the client. The client is first. Therefore, if we really take this opportunity today, we can adapt today and get solutions. Forget about this so much travel, so many emissions, and have local crew for your container ships, which will give you the possibility to have in the future very strong talent shore managers, managing directors, CEOs, presidents and superintendents and so on, all the way, because it's not going to be an easy fight to retain the talent. Well, we can do that. Yeah, why? Because first is the client. And if you're a private company, think about it, because you can make this decision today, and we can do 200 ships today. Yeah. How? Well, different than the others, because now there's the opportunity. Thank you, bye.